and welcome to this video on email farming for beginners. In this video, we'll explore what email farming is, why it's important, and how you can build a high-quality email list. This is a brief introduction to email farming. If you want to make significant money from email farming, then this is for you. The link to this website is in the description, from where you can get easy access to this website and learn email farming with a complete course and can start making significant money. And it is a safe and secure website that is really helpful for beginners and everyone who needs to make money in email farming. So you can check the website after watching the video, and the link is in the description. Email farming is the process of collecting email addresses from people who are interested in your business or brand. It's important because email is one of the most effective marketing channels available, with an average ROI of $42 for every $1 spent. To start email farming, you'll need to have a website or landing page where people can sign up to receive emails from you. You'll also need an email marketing tool, such as MailChimp or Constant Contact, to manage your email list and send emails to your subscribers. To build a high-quality email list, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, make sure you have a clear value proposition for why people should sign up for your emails. This could be exclusive content, special offers, or updates on your products or services. Second, make it easy for people to sign up for your emails. This could be through a simple sign-up form on your website, a pop-up or slide-in form, or a landing page specifically designed for email sign-ups. Third, use social media and other channels to promote your email list and encourage people to sign up. This could be through paid advertising, organic social media posts, or partnerships with other businesses or influencers. Finally, make sure you're providing value to your subscribers with every email you send. This could be through informative content, exclusive offers, or personalized recommendations. In conclusion, email farming is an essential part of any successful marketing strategy. By building a high-quality email list, you can reach your audience directly, build relationships, and drive revenue for your business. Just remember to provide value, make it easy to sign up, and promote your email list through various channels. Remember to check the link in the description and don't lose this wonderful opportunity to learn everything you need for email farming. Thank you for watching this video, and happy email farming! If you are interested in content related to this, and especially if you want to make money, then you can watch my other videos of making money from cryptocurrency. The link to the videos is also in the description.